It was a snow day for many in Alberta on Monday, December 2nd. Although schools were open in the Chinooks Edge School Division, buses weren't running through Mountain View County. Area highways were icy with heavy drifting snow driven by wind gusts up to 57 kilometers an hour, creating whiteout conditions. There were reports of multi-vehicle accidents on the QE2 between Didsbury and Olds, including a semi in the ditch and a two-vehicle crash. The town of Carstairs crews were out in force clearing snow from the main street. The snow is expected into Tuesday with as much as 20 centimeters in the region, which will also see temperatures as low as minus 27 with the wind chill. For the latest in road conditions, check out the Alberta Transportation website at 511.alberta.ca.